I saw them beat me, and pepper spray all over me. Pepper spray there. Tear off my clothes, me not come back home, and no clothes. All my brassiere gone, everything.
And justice over hell. No, we can't manage the police about things about me.
Welcome. If you're new via here, be sure to click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you be notified about videos uploaded from this channel. The topics that we'll be discussing today: police beat woman for keeping illegal party, tenement stab up landlord in St. Elizabeth, and more. A woman died yesterday in a gun attack in Linstead, St. Catherine. She is Natalie Kelly Baker, a 40-year-old nurse. A man who was also shot in the incident is said to be in serious condition at the hospital. Reports are that about 7:15 p.m., Baker was outside a shop when two armed men approached her and a friend. They opened gunfire on both before fleeing the scene. Baker, who returned to the island from Britain recently, was pronounced dead at the hospital. She is at least a second woman shot in Linstead this month. In previous incidents, which took place on October 12, a gunman shot and wounded a woman on Grove Road while she was walking from her home to work. She has been admitted to the hospital in critical but stable condition. It has been reported that a man who goes by the name of British was chopped and stabbed by his female tenant in Knoxwood Community, St. Elizabeth. He is said to be in critical condition at the Black River Hospital. Further information suggested that this landlord is a troublemaker. He went inside the lady's bedroom while she was there talking on her phone and used a machete to attack her. She later used the same machete to chop and stab him multiple times. So the first thing that most people will say or even ask is why she never leave before things escalate if this man is a known troublemaker. But guys, sometimes we have to remember say, and every time you're gonna have somewhere for move go instantly. Now maybe this man has been hiding his true colors. You know, so when people want them place for rent, them a try to make some money. So when you as a new tenant come, them not gonna just show up them dirty colors to you. Them just a go wait till time and time goes by. Them start reveal little by little until them come out fully. Now at this point, we don't know exactly what transpired between this young lady and her landlord. We don't know if her rent-wise or maybe she not take care of the place properly as can to him, because as you hear, he is a known troublemaker. And a lot of persons from this community is in agreement with that. I have seen in many stories where landlord just cannot humble himself. Them just always want for inner argument with them tenants. Sometimes some of them just like to be seen. And what they don't understand is that once somebody is paying rent for a space, the space is basically theirs until them stop paying the rent and decide to move out. But as I said earlier, you just have some landlord who just like to be seen. So them live in your space every single day just to tell you what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. And this is the reason why you see most persons don't like foreign place where landlords still have access to or even live near to, because it never ends good. There are always some kind of problem. And in most of the cases are just bad mind. Them not like to see people strive higher than them. Worse when they and them live the same place. That is known trouble. So this young lady seems as if she get fed up at everything that has been happening with this landlord, and she decides that this is it. So as I said earlier, an altercation. So as I said earlier, there was an argument between the two. The young lady went ahead and went in her room on her phone. This man left from all the way outside and go upstairs in the room with a machete. It was also stated that she was kicked down the stairs by her landlord, and that is where things escalated. Now with the whole community about this young lady, she have a strong chance of busting off the case, but only if she have proofs that this is self-defense. Now viewers and subscribers, as I can see, a video of this incident is available. So if you're interested in seeing the video, All you have to do, go down in the description of this video where you'll see a link to the CHOP City Telegram group. Just click on the link, you automatically join the group, and the video will be there waiting on you. If you don't know how to go down in the description and you're interested in seeing it, just run on over to our Instagram page at CHOP City TV. That is CHOPCITY_TV. Send us a message asking for the link and it will be provided to you as soon as possible. Now we're moving right along with an update on a story we did on Sunday, which includes a young lady who was beaten by some police officers because of an illegal party she hosted. Now the aunt of that girl is saying she was also beaten by some police officers. Her clothes was ripped off her. Yeah, I mean, the blouse, the pants, the brassiere, everything except the panty is gone. She was also taken to the police station where she was put on bail. Listen keenly as she explained what exactly took place.
So go in, I want party me there and see I tear the police and tear off my clothes off for me at the party. Pepper spray me and tear off my clothes, beat up my family, them do them all type of something. Say I come back on my yard. Them charge me $40,000 for bail. I come here for come home back. We need justice, and that's something we are going to put it up on social media. And we are going to talk. Inspector Richie, sending police friend them come beat my niece. I'm a cousin, who I'm looking family them. All the picture, I'm sending a picture of them, I'm looking niece and beat up and bust up our eye. One man named Mr. White, police White and Marga boy named White. He do the girl wicked. I mean, we not take this. We want justice, and we put it up. I saw them beat me and pepper spray all over me. Pepper spray there. Tear off my clothes, me not come back home, me not no clothes. And my brassiere gone, everything.
Justice, who I am. No, I can't manage the police about things and when we are 20 too much. So then yes, so they get about 20 girls because they keep party at Jerusalem. Richie said in front of them as a mash up the party. They take the whole of the girl, they come about 4,000 liquor, they take away. I beat her up, pick the pepper spray and that about 12-year-old. Everybody, we can't manage to believe help. Lucky, we wake up and I cry with tears in our eyes. The police don't deal with me last night over Jerusalem. The man fucking party of my family. I'm going to do around of it. And the police have come in at the party and the way the police have seen me like we are good people. They beat the whole of the local family. They pepper spray me, strip me to hand them or something. Kick up tea and hand them or something. And so I have to come out of this. Who are justice, who are help. No, we can't manage the police about things and when we are 20 too much. So then yes, so they get about 20 girls because they keep party at Jerusalem. Richie said in front of them as a mash up the party. They take the whole of the girl, they come about 4,000 liquor, they take away. I beat her up, pick the pepper spray and that about 12-year-old. Everybody, we can't manage to believe help.
See the people only hear everything for yourself. Right now, I would love to hear what are your thoughts on all these stories down below in the comment section. And remember, everybody's opinion valid, and I'm not afraid to leave your thoughts down there. We have made it to the end of our next video. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time. I'm out and stay blessed and stay safe.